In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp Board View. Let's dive right in to explore how you can make the most out of this powerful feature. To get started, your first step is to navigate to the ClickUp platform. If you haven't logged in already, go ahead and enter your credentials. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by your workspace. ClickUp is a feature-rich project management tool that provides a variety of views to help visualize your tasks, with Board View being particularly great for those who prefer a more visual, card-based setup akin to the Kanban method. Next, you'll want to locate and click on the Board option. This can typically be found in the sidebar of your workspace. Board View is ideal for team members or project managers who want a bird's eye view of the progress of multiple tasks, organized neatly in columns based on their status. Clicking on Board will bring you to a default board if one exists, or prompt you to create a new board if this is your first time using the feature. To make sure you're using the board view to its fullest potential, you might want to customize it further. Begin by clicking on the Plus View button. This allows you to add an entirely new board view to your workspace. Customizing your view not only allows you to organize tasks in a way that is most intuitive to you, but it also makes collaboration easier if team members are on the same page visually. And don't worry, you can use different views concurrently to meet the needs of different team members or projects. Once you've clicked Plus View, a range of options will become available to you. You'll want to select the option for Board, Kanban. This is where the real magic of the board comes to life, offering you a customizable Kanban board where tasks can easily be dragged and dropped between columns to represent various stages of progress. Use this feature to rapidly adapt to changing project dynamics by visually seeing how work is distributed and to ensure that tasks are moving smoothly through your workflow. Remember, the benefit of using the board view is its visual simplicity. It's perfect for tracking project progress in a straightforward manner without overwhelming yourself or your team with too much intricate detail. Whether you're managing development sprints, marketing campaigns, or any project that requires a structured workflow, Board View and ClickUp can be a game changer. And there you have it. You've successfully set up the Board View in ClickUp. Now you can start using this tool to streamline your project management processes and keep your tasks organized and on track. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and encourage you to continue exploring the many functionalities that ClickUp has to offer. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.